Debbie's Mindless Happy Place. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video if you enjoy the content. Today we are going to be doing some easy 4th of July crafts that can be set up anywhere in your house and make your house look so ready for the 4th of July. So let's get started. So I have these containers that are like canisters that I change out for each of the seasons. And I'm going to be putting these ornaments that I have, like that you could decorate a Christmas tree with for the 4th of July on them. And they are decorated up with some pretty little different things on them for the 4th of July. Some of them have words, some of them have stars, some of them have different things. Some of them are just red, white, and blue. So that's what I'm going to be decorating with to put in my jars. Along with some of my jars, I'm going to put these little stars that are silver, red, and blue. So a couple of my jars, I'm going to put those in. But first of all, let's just see how I can do with my jars with some red, white, and blue ornaments. They just take a few. It just takes a few ornaments to fill. And then what I have is I have some tea lights in there, and you can light them up. See how pretty that looks? That one needs a blue ornament though. I'm going to put this glittery blue ornament in that one. Oh, that looks pretty. I like that. And as you can see, they just light up. They light up and get you all ready for the 4th of July and the whole summer season. Now I have just a few more little bulbs. I don't know what I'm going to do with those, but I'm going to do something with those last few bulbs. Hang on just a second. I have another set of these to put my little stars in. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put all these stars in this big one. Yep, all those are going to just fit into one big jar. And there you go. Oh, I like that. It just has all the stars in it. So that worked out well. And with my little canister, I'm going to, because I know that just 3 will fill this up, I'm going to use my little canister. I don't know how I got 3 in that one. I guess it just do like that. Nah, I don't like that. Yeah. Alright. So in this canister, I'm going to put just 3. I'm going to put just 3. There you go. Those look cute in my little pass-through window that goes from my den to my kitchen. Alright, next I'm going to use what I call my candy dish that changes out for the seasons. And what I have is 6 of my wooden decorations that go on a tree. And instead, I'm going to put a little bit of Velcro on the back of them. And put them right here on the front to make this the 4th of July. I have 6 pieces of Velcro. And you can see how pretty that looks. These are my pillow coverings that I got from my big pillows in my den. And I got them off of Amazon. And they were like $12.95 for the set of 4. So not bad. But as you can see, it makes it look all 4th of July. And that's how I decorate my whole den for the summer. I'm going to now decorate my 2 little trees that I have in my den on either side of my fireplace with 4th of July ornaments for my trees. I have these wooden ornaments I'm going to put on. I have these flags I'm going to put on my trees, and I have these bows I'm going to tie to my trees. So let's get to decorating. All right, now I have some beads that I got off of Temu, of course, that I haven't used yet, and they are red, white, and blue, so I have different ones. I'm going to put them together to make a string of beads for the 4th of July. I don't know why I have that one. That one seems oddly out of place. That one seems to go with that one. There's red. Stars. Blue ones. And I'm going to put them on this string. I'm going to make short little ropes with these beads and keep them with their kind. Now I'm going to decorate a tiered tray for the 4th of July. So I got these 6 cups off of Amazon, and they all came in a set. That one says, God Bless America. And that one says, America. This one says, Liberty. This one says, Freedom. This one says Brave. This one says USA. So I just put them on, scattered around my tray. Again, I got that set of 6 on Amazon. And I got these set of 3 on Amazon. This one says Freedom. And I'm just going to, I don't know, set them around. This one says Brave. And this one says America. And again, I got those on Amazon. Actually, that's not a bad idea. I'm turning these around because this is going to be on my table in my den. And therefore, you can see it from both sides. So that's good. I got these 3 from the Dollar Tree several years ago. So I've had them for a while. And I'm just going to put them onto my tray in different areas and prop them up. So that's what I'm going to do with them. These I did years ago. They're little rolling pins, and I just painted them, and they're just painted red, white, and blue. And I'm just going to stick them around. They're great for tiered trays and those kinds of things. I painted these 2 stars years ago, and I don't think, never mind. And so I think that's everything that I'm going to put on my tray. I think it's cute enough, and I'm just going to set it again on my table in my den. Okay, so last but not least, I took the beads that we strung on little bead ropes, and I tied some of those ornaments that I put on my tree to the bottom of it, and I think they are so cute. They turned out so cute like that. And so I'm going to finish my tiered tray by putting these all around my tiered tray, and I think they are just adorable. That one's my favorite, but they are so cute. So I'm just going to kind of drape them onto my tiered tray in different spots. Let them hang over. Ah, that is so cute. I love it. I love it. That turned out so adorable. So adorable with those. This is how my tiered tray looks on my table in my den. And I think it looks really amazing. I like how it turned out. And so with that, I will see you on the next video.